Hello, this is Angie, and let's now create your 12-month calendar. Before we begin, remember that you need to have your packages set with hours and prices before creating the calendar. Now, scroll to the section called Working Schedule. Here you'll see start and end times. Make sure you write them in 24-hour format, with 23 being 11 p.m. The system is smart, so if, for example, you offer a wedding package that lasts 8 hours, it will automatically make sure the schedule runs late enough to cover the event all the way through. Next, look at working days. You can type all days if you want to be available every day, or you can exclude certain days you never want to work throughout the year. You'll also see a setting for break between sessions. This is a buffer the system adds before and after each session. So if I set 1 hour and someone books a 2-hour session at 3 p.m., the system will block an hour before and an hour after. This helps prevent conflicts and gives you time to set up and reset. Now look at available time slots. Here you'll write the times you want clients to be able to start sessions. You can enter as many as you want throughout the day. If you want to charge extra for weekends, there's also a setting for Saturday and Sunday premium pricing. Enter a percentage if you want to add a weekend rate, or leave it blank if you don't want to add a premium. Next are block dates. Be careful here because these dates are permanently removed from the calendar and cannot be unblocked later. Only add dates you are absolutely sure you won't be available. The start to end fields can stay as they are. The system fills those automatically. Once your schedule is ready, it's time to create the calendar. Go to the menu, click Smart App, then Photography System, and choose Set Up Booking Availability. Click Yes and wait while the system generates your calendar. Then click OK. That's it, you now have a 12-month booking calendar. Next, let's connect it with Google Calendar. Go back to the menu, click on Photography System, then Calendar Integration. This activates the sync with your Google Calendar. Now, whenever someone books and pays for a session, an event will automatically appear on your Google Calendar. It works the other way too. If you add something to your Google Calendar like a doctor's appointment or a personal event, the system will block that time slot in your booking form so no one can book over it. It even adds 1 or 2 hours of buffer before and after the event to give you time to prepare. The system checks your Google Calendar about every 10 minutes and blocks anything that conflicts. No more double bookings. Now let's go over how to block dates directly in the system. Go to the menu and click on Photography System, then Manage Availability. Here you'll see 3 options. Option 1 is for uploading block dates with the CSV file from Google Drive. This is useful if you have a lot of block dates. The format is simple date, time, hours, and type. For example, you could type wedding-name of person so you know who it's for. Make your list in Excel, save it as a CSV, upload it to Google Drive, and share it with editor permissions. Copy the link, paste it into the window, and click OK. The system will confirm the dates, then block them and show you a success message. Remember, the system automatically blocks any overlapping time, but if you want more prep time, add an extra hour or 2 in the CSV file. Option 2 lets you manually block entire days. You can choose a single day, a range of days, or multiple days separated by commas. For example, you could block off a vacation week in one step. Option 3 is for unblocking days. The system will show you a list of all block dates. Type the number of the date you want to unblock, or enter multiple numbers separated by commas. Click OK and the dates will become available again. And one more thing, if a client books and later cancels their session, the system will automatically free up that date and time slot for you, so everything stays accurate without extra work. And that's it for creating your 12-month calendar and managing your availability. You now know how to set your working schedule, add breaks between sessions, connect with Google Calendar block dates with the CSV, or block and unblock manually. This gives you complete control over your time and helps keep your bookings organized. If you have any questions, I'm always here. Let's keep going.